Hello viewers, welcome to the channel EduBits. Let us discuss few thoughts on the universe and the world we live in, that is the solar system. The earth on which we live is one of 8 worlds called planets that move round and round the sun. The sun holds its family of planets near it by the pull of gravity. It is said that the solar system is bound to the sun and the objects that orbit it. The word solar means belonging to the sun. We could not live without the heat and light the sun gives. The sun, which is center of the solar system, is a star. The planets have no heat and light except what the sun gives them. The planets in order are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Earth is the only planet which has living things. The time that a planet takes to complete one orbit around the sun is called its year. The Earth's year is just over 365 days long. Every 4th year is called as a leap year. We have an extra day in February to make it extra time. Earth has one moon, which is a natural satellite. Where exactly are we living in the space? The solar system seems too huge to think about, but it is only a tiny speck compared with the universe. The universe means everything that exists from Earth to the most distant stars. Nobody knows just how big the universe is. The universe actually includes millions and millions of galaxies. Each galaxy is made up of millions of stars. The galaxy in which we live is called the Milky Way. The sun is the only one of millions of stars in the Milky Way. There are even thousands of large, rough pieces of rock which move around the sun called as asteroids. Even certain pieces of rocks or metal come near the earth every day. And these small pieces are called as meteors. They can be seen flashing across the sky as shooting stars. Earth has its atmosphere called as atmosphere. The air around us cannot be seen, smelt, or tasted. Air is a mixture of gases. Nearly 4/5 of it is nitrogen, and the rest consists of oxygen and carbon dioxide. There are even small amounts of argon, neon, hydrogen, ozone, and so on. Air also has certain particles of dust, and it also has water vapor. The oxygen present in air is very important for all living organisms, which include plants, animals, and even man. Similarly, the water on the earth. We call Earth as a blue planet. 71% of the earth is covered by water, which includes ocean, rivers, lakes. The ground beneath us seems to be very firm and still. It is very hard to believe that it is really moving all the time. Sometimes the movements deep in the earth, sometimes they are very small. Most of the mountains were found millions and millions of years ago. The earth movements actually push up to form mountains, sometimes volcanoes, and certain times earthquakes. Next is the land. Everything in the world is either an animal, a plant, or a mineral. Animals and plants have life, but minerals have no life. All minerals are solid except for water and mercury, which are both normally liquid. All rocks have minerals. Rocks are formed and changed in many different ways. Millions of years ago, long before there were no people on earth, the world was already full of animals and plants. No human being ever saw them while they were living. Yet we know exactly what they look like because the remains of some of them still exist, and these remains are called as fossils. Most of the animals and plants that have become fossils are found in rocks. Scientists usually say they can tell the age of the fossils in the way when they observe as a fossil has been petrified, or when water dissolves away the body of a buried animal, or sometimes the interesting fossils which have tracks, that is, footprints left by animals. Thank you for watching and listening to this video. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel EduBits, kindly subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.